30 megapascals. That's how hard a carbon fiber peak weld can hold. Fused in under 5 seconds. No glue, no bolts, no consumables required. Those numbers are why NASA and DARPA have both identified this joining technique as a critical enabling technology on the path toward building kilometer-scale structures in orbit. Though significant integration challenges remain before that vision is realized. The material is PEAK, resistant to radiation, stable across extreme temperatures, and crucially thermoplastic. It can be remelted and rejoined if a robot makes an error, unlike conventional thermoset composites. Researchers at TU Delft spent years watching a weld happen in real time. Power curves revealing the hidden choreography of melting, flow, and solidification inside those critical seconds. That body of work helped define the parameter window now referenced across the field. 300 to 2,500 newtons of force, amplitudes of 60 to 86 micrometers, and energy directors barely thicker than a human hair. That ridge, barely 1/4 of a millimeter tall, concentrates 20,000 vibrations per second so precisely that the surrounding material barely registers heat while the interface fuses. Parallel work at IRT Jules Verne in Nantes, embedded between Airbus's Saint-Nazaire plant and the Atlantic, is working to bridge lab parameters directly to robotic assembly at industrial scale. The same research is informing commercial aircraft development. Eliminating tens of thousands of metal fasteners per fuselage could reduce weight, cut fuel burn, and avoid decades of corrosion maintenance, though those outcomes depend on successful qualification and scale-up. The global funding behind this, across government, corporate, and academic sources, is estimated at $180 to $240 million through 2026, according to analysis of 17+ research databases. The catch, in microgravity, every force the robot applies pushes back equally on itself, and convective cooling disappears in vacuum, creating thermal management challenges that haven't yet been solved in a flight environment. A first in-orbit weld demonstration, a small CF peak structure assembled by a robotic system in low Earth orbit, would be a signal that this technology has crossed from terrestrial promise to orbital reality.